right, before we cut some wood, I want to have weigh-ins because I want to know what each of these weighs. Now, this is full of gas, full of oil, full of electrons, full of oil, full of electrons, full of oil. I'm actually going to weigh this, the Greenworks Commercial, twice because sadly it comes with the BD 400 4 amp battery, but it really needs a 5 amp battery to perform at its best. So I'm going to compare those weights. So first we'll weigh the Husqvarna 460. And fully equipped and ready to go, I got 18 pounds, 0 ounces. Right on the money, 18 pounds. The 60 volt Greenworks Pro, that's 20 pounds, 0 ounces. So that's 2 pounds heavier. And then the Greenworks Commercial, all of these are with the 20-inch bars. With the BD 400, I got 18 pounds, 2 ounces. And I'm going to weigh that with the 5 amp battery also. And now I'm coming in at 19 pounds, 12 ounces. Wow, that is heavy. So, the lightest one is the gas at 18 pounds. And I know you're like, hey, wait a minute, that's not a big log, that's a little teeny log. But I just want to try them out, feel the characteristics of the saw a little bit, and then we'll go to a big log. Side note, on both the Greenworks, I definitely like the captured nuts. The 82 CS34 Greenworks Commercial. Hey, what do you know? 5 amp battery. Although on this log it shouldn't make much of a difference. That's the Husqvarna 460 Rancher. Now the Greenworks Pro 60 volt. '82 CS34 with the 4 amp battery that the kit comes with. and the 82 CS34 with the 5 amp battery. All right, let's take a look at some of these times and see how these things did. They all cut pretty good though, I can tell you that. Just curious about how big these cookies were. So 19 by 20. That's pretty much the full amount of these 20-inch bars, what you're gonna get. I think we're overheated. Try to do 10 cuts with the 82 CS34. So, when it comes to endurance, the Husqvarna is definitely the winner, followed by the Greenworks Pro, followed by the 82 CS34. And that was with the 5 amp battery. I already know from experience there would have been less cuts with the 4 amp battery before that overheated. Now I do have a million of these batteries. Well, not a million, but enough that I could easily swap and keep going, but that's a different thing. All right, I just wanted to do a summary wrap up after the testing. The 3 saws all performed pretty closely, with the 82 CS34 having a slight edge with the most power, only when it has this 5 amp battery that it doesn't come with, which is the biggest downfall of this overall, in my opinion. When it comes, if you're just making the initial purchase, 600, 500, 600, this $600 thing with a tank of gas is going to outlast both of these by a wide margin. The place where you really start to see a difference is if you're getting other tools and you have multiple batteries and you can just swap out batteries pretty easily. Not sponsored, I just buy my own stuff and I test it. So that's the results of the test. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the tests and the comparisons that I do. Thank you.